In this tutorial, we will learn that how we can make a water level detector simulation. Also, we cannot say that this is a perfect simulation for water level detector system, but however, it will fulfill some of its features. So here we have a start button. So we will click on it, and here you can see that we have 4 NPN transistors attached with data for LEDs. And we can see that on the basis of these transistors there are 4 zeros. It means that no input signal is going to all these 4 transistors. So in this text box we will write level 1, and we will press this push button, and we will get that our water level is up to this mark, up to the mark of first transistor, and not touching the second transistor. So the first LED is now glowing. Now we will write level 2, and we will again press the button. Now again we will see that the water level rises up to a certain level, and both the bases of the lower transistors are getting 1 on their base pin. So we will write level 3, and when we will click it we will see that our third transistor is now on and our third LED is glowing. Now we will come towards the final level, that is level 4, and now we will press its button. Now we can see that the water level touches the fourth transistor, and now all of our 4 transistors are on. Also there is an indication in the LEDs. So hopefully you got the concept. The exe of this simulator is given in the description. So thanks for watching.